Hello everyone, so this is our 34th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can delete our project that posted by company. Okay, how we can remove that particular project that posted by company. So first of all, I really apologize for this late video. Okay, because I was really busy in some kind of work in these previous days. Okay, so as soon as we complete this series, only 2 or 3 video is now remaining to complete this entire series. Okay, so these 2 or 3 video will come in upcoming video. Okay, so I really apologize for that. So here you can see in our previous video, in 33th video, we discussed about how we can update our job that posted by company, and that previous video in 32th video we discussed about how we can edit our job that posted by company. So in this video we will work on project, how we can remove the project that posted by company module. Okay, so if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can get the latest video notification. So let's start this video. So here you can see I already run my project from here. So I simply run my project from here. So here you can see now our project is loaded here. Now we have to click on login as a company, and we will log in our company login ID and password from here. So for paperwork, click on enter, and here you can see our company interface is now open. And now here you can see there is an option that is manage job and project. So here you can see this is job posted by company, and there is no current project that posted by company. So if we first post any kind of project from here, okay, so I simply click on post project. I just finish this process, and later on I will come on this point. Now I am successfully posted 2 projects from here. Now check it out, now it is coming here or not. So now I successfully posted 2 projects from here. Now check it out, now it is coming here or not. So click on manage jobs and projects, and here you can see 2 projects is now currently coming here. That is a automated inventory management system, and second one is a hospital management. So in case company wants to remove this particular project from here, they have some kind of facility so they can remove from here. So here you can see we will provide here the button that is the remove. So whenever I'm just clicking on remove button, that project will remove from here. So we have to perform that particular functionality from here, because sometimes, for example, I just posted my project here, and if I get some kind of client from our project site, for example, I get a good web developer from there. So what is the need of this remove button? So in case if I posted some time before this project from my particular this project plus website, and if I got some kind of web developer from there, now I don't need to post my project on that particular project size, because I already get that person that I just require for the particular project. So I can just remove my project from here. So the similar kind of person that applying for this project, their time will be saved from because of that system. Okay, so that's why I'm just providing this remove button on this project size, as similar like a button we provided here. So if you know the process of this removing project from here, you can easily perform this similar kind of process in our jobs also. Okay, so we will do that particular process from here. So you have to come to our history, jobs and projects. Here you can see we already show all kind of jobs and project here. So here you can see the remove button, and that remove button we pass our ID. So here you can see this is the mapping, that is a delete project. So in case of writing delete project, I just write here as a remove project. Okay, so remove projects slash $ef.id, because ef is equal to our var, and before that we mention our project name, because sometimes we didn't get a path of our particular project. Similar kind of things we mention in our jobs also. Okay, whenever I want to show my job information on next page. Okay, so I just provided here my project name, my mapping and my ID. Now what thing we have to do here, we have to simply copy this mapping from here, that is the remove projects. Okay, because we are passing that ID with our remove button. So here you can see whenever you click on a remove button, the left bottom side there is the ID showing, that is 14 and 16. So 14 and 16, that is our ID. With the help of that ID we can easily remove this project from here. So we have to come to our projects, we have to come to our company controller, and we have to simply write here one method for remove that particular project from there. So I'm just writing a public string remove project and in that we have to write path variable and int id, because we are passing the id with our mapping. Okay, above of that we have to write request mapping. In that request mapping we have to write value is equal to our mapping, then slash paste our mapping, then slash, then our id. Basically in curly braces we have to mention our id, then comma, then method, then request method dot get, because we are getting that id in our method, so that's why we have to mention here get. Now we have to simply mention one method here with the help of our project DAO. So pd, which is our project DAO. Okay, pd dot remove project, and in this we have to pass simply this id. Okay, id is automatically coming here. Now we have to remove projects of company and just rename this method from here. So I just simply click on that method, create method in project DAO. Here you can see I just removed that previous method from here. So now we have to simply write here one SQL query. So with the help of that SQL query, the operation will successfully perform. So I have to write a t1 dot update, and I have to write here simple SQL query. So I am just writing here delete from our table name. What is our table name? That is post project where id is equal to single colon double colon plus id. Okay, now id is coming here. Now let's check it out. Now it is working or not. I'm just checking one more time the query delete from the post project where id is equal to this kind of id. So now see it is working or not. Before that we have to mention the return here. So whenever this process is performed, we have to return our page on particular page. So I'm just writing here message company. So whenever this process is performed, it will redirect on a message company page. Okay, so I just simply rerun my project from here and let's check it out now it is working or not. So now here you can see our project is successfully loaded here. Now I just remove the previous projects. Now click on login as a company. I just log into my account. Here you can see I just log into my company account, and let's click on manage jobs and projects. Okay, and here you can see this interface is now open, and if somehow I want to remove this particular project from here, for example I got a client for automated inventory management system, so I don't want to show that project on that project plus site. So I just simply click on remove button from here, and it will redirect me on our, I think, the message page. Okay, I want to again check our mapping, it is correct or not. Okay, message company. Okay, everything is fine, and I check it out now it is working or not. So for that I have to check now this project is removed from here or not. So I just simply refresh this page from here, and now here you can see the automated inventory management system project was successfully removed from here. If I want to show the entire interface of that page, so I have to write here redirect colon slash. Okay, because our css is not loading on that particular page, so I have to write a redirect colon slash message company. So here you can see our task is successfully working. Now check it out, our full page interface is loading or not. So I just simply refresh this page from here one more time, and if I click on a remove button, okay, here you can see it will redirect me on a message company page, and now from here I can simply go to my home page. I didn't provide here the mapping of our home company. Basically it is a home company, I provided here as a home C. Okay, so now check it out, our hospital management project removed from here or not. So just simply click on the refresh button, and here you can see it will successfully remove from here. Okay, if you recheck this manage job and project, here you can see manage jobs and project, you didn't find any kind of project from here. So our task is now successfully completed. That is how we can remove our project that posted by a company. Similar kind of concept you can apply in our manage job and project section also. Okay, so it is a very easy process. You just need to take the id, and with the help of that id you have to mention the controller method, and with the help of that method you have to mention that in a project DAO, that is our SQL query, and with the help of that SQL query you can simply perform the delete operation. Hope you will understand this process. Okay, so okay, this is all about today's video. In this video we will discuss about how we can remove our project that posted by company. Okay, so we will see you next video. Next video will come as soon as possible. Okay, so let's subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.